That way you're like holding the phone. It's up there, see that glass room? Can you see it? Look in the middle. The white big part of the crane, see the glass room?
Oh, this is so great.
Yeah. The joystick. That's how he controls the crane.
I'm so glad I came.
I know.
Wild.
That's so cool. There's got to be something on this boat. I don't think they would just send an empty boat.
Unless they're going to pick up stuff and bring it back.
They're probably going to do both. I would think.
Maybe there's probably inside those things probably.
Probably.
See, it looks like it would be room for storage underneath.
I bet.
So maybe they're bringing stuff in, or maybe I don't know. I can suppose a lot of things.
I'll just have to look it up later.
Knowing exactly.
Where is that water? Yeah, all the way down.
Way lower.
Yeah. Do boats like to go down waterfalls? That's why they built this canal. So the really neat thing you get to see is how do they get the boat down there? The other place they built a lot of these is called the Panama Canal. So what you're missing is they have to close it on this side.
Look at how low. So cool. You never know. Look how far down it went. Will you take a selfie? Here. Say hi.
Are they supposed to have wings and everything else behind?
I think they just opened the gate and they let all the water in.
Yeah. Wow.
22 million gallons. That is so cool.
Yeah.